Hello, welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. Today I am going to make a dish with the help of a very simple and common ingredient, that is eggs. Today's recipe is boiled egg omelette. So without further delay, let's begin with the recipe. Let's start with chopping. Here I took one medium size of onion and chopping it nicely. 2 to 3 green chilies, and some coriander leaves. All our veggies are chopped. Here I took 2 eggs hard boiled. Here I am making thin slices of eggs. It's better to make hard boiled egg in this recipe. Here again I took 2 eggs. We'll beat it up nicely. Pinch of black pepper and pinch of salt, and we'll mix it well. In a bowl, let's add all the veggies together, all the chopped onions, the green chilies. I took some red chilies also, and the coriander leaves. Keep some coriander leaves aside for garnishing. Here I added a pinch of salt, pinch of red chilli powder, pinch of Garam Masala powder, and a pinch of Turmeric powder. Now we'll mix all the spices well with the veggies. Here I'm adding the egg mixture and mixing all the things together. Now in a pan I took 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 cube of butter. You can make it all in butter or in oil. It's up to you. Spread the oil nicely in the pan and add the egg mixture to the pan. After 1 minute, add the sliced boiled eggs. If you want, you can keep the egg omelette running, but I like it little bit hard. Sprinkle some black pepper, some red chilli powder, and rest of the coriander leaves. Keep the flame in medium to low. Cover it with a lid and cook for few seconds. Our boiled egg omelette is ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching the video. Give a try to this recipe. You can include it in your breakfast. So if you like the recipe, hit the like button, share with your family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.